So in your computer keyboard, you must first, if your number lock is off, suppose if your number lock is off, you must first turn on the number lock. So now you can see that the number lock have been enabled here. And the next step is you must use your finger, and in this you must press the alt key. So one of your fingers should be in the alt key, so you do not remove your finger from this alt key. And at the same time you must type here 128152 128152, and after that you can release the finger from this alt key. And you can see that now the symbol of it with arrow have been arrived. You can even change the color also by selecting this, and from me, okay, I'm showing it now in Microsoft MS Word. Okay, so you can adjust or change the color like this. So first you open the Word, and after that you can try using this keyboard shortcut. Hope this video is useful for more videos. Subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.